In order to set up LMS on your mobile, you need to do the following steps. You need the first step will be going to the Play Store and searching for an app called Moodle. This is the app, and you're going to open it. It will prompt you with something like this, and in the site address you need to type so after it has loaded, it will prompt you with the username and the password. In the username, you're going to type your registration number that you already signed up on the NUML LMS website. So this you're going to enter the same registration number and the same password as well. After it has loaded, you can see all your subjects here, and this is the progress of your subjects. And if you want to open any subject, you just need to open here, and this is the first topic and first lecture and second lecture. You can download it, and if you click on tick, it'll be marked as complete. And if you want to see that who else is taking the course, in order to verify that you're in the right class, you can just click here and see a list of your class fellows. So that's about it, and in here you can see your name and everything. Thank you.